Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today I'm really excited because we got a brand new dump trailer. So check it out. It's 7 foot wide, 14 foot long. It's got 40-inch sides. It's got the ramp right here we can put in the back of it. If we ever want to load up any skid steers or anything like that. Right here it's got the tarp feature so we can tarp our load down. And it also has these little brackets right here that we can slide a 2x4, and we could make the walls even bigger if we wanted. I think it's big enough for what we do, but that's just another option. So it does dump right here. We press this to up, and you can see that it does go up, so that's a great feature to have. So I wanted to show you guys, if you're out there looking for a dump trailer, this guy actually set this up. So what you want to do is connect this, it's like a 1-gauge wire, to your truck battery, run it all the way underneath, all the way through here. It'll come out somewhere over there, and then you'll just get another little adapter that'll connect this one to the one over there, and then you can actually use your battery from your car to run this battery, because that's what most people run into. This battery will die when they're at the dump. I don't know how many times I've actually jumped people who have dump trailers. Their battery died, so then they just are stuck with a dump trailer that doesn't dump. So that's a cool thing to have. So I might try to do that. And then as far as maintenance goes, I mean, we just got to put hydraulic fluid in here once in a while. If I don't want to do that battery thing I just told you guys about, I can actually just connect it here with like an extension cord, and that'll charge it overnight. You know, I'll just make sure I have it charged before I go out in the morning. This is what it looks like on the inside, so we can put a lot of stuff in here. It's also got these, I don't know if those are O-rings or what they are, in every corner in case we need to strap anything in there, or like I said with the Bobcat later down the road. So that's also a cool feature. Dump trailers right now are actually really expensive as well, so that's another thing to remember. We got this for $8,200 cash. There was not financing available on it. The other day I went to go get a 6x12 trailer, and those are like $8,900 right now. So this thing has way taller sides as well, so this guy was a really good deal. This guy actually has 5 more of these same exact dumpsters. He had a junk hauling company about 2 hours from me, but they didn't do so good, so now he's just liquidating. That's why I got it on such a good deal. But yeah, if you like videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you've gotten dump trailers in the past or anything like that, let me know if they worked out for you. If you ever got stuck at the dump, don't be afraid to leave a comment on that either. And thanks for watching.